No, that's a big one when people start doing jiu-jitsu and they only want to tell everybody about jiu-jitsu. The vegan thing, though, is like I really do get it from their perspective, like as an ethical perspective. It's just one of those things where if there's a thing that you're trying to do, where you're trying to be kind, you're going to get a certain percentage of people that start doing that get annoying.
Yeah, I just choose not to listen to annoying people. I just tune it out. I don't have fucking time for it. I really don't have time for it. I mean, life, there's so much else going on in my life and so much else going on in this world. I think, why don't we start focusing on all the good shit we can do? We can do so much great shit. If everybody would pivot themselves 10% and just go and look and say, okay, take everything you love and then go do that more. Mm-hmm. And be worried less about what somebody's saying about you or what something's going on social media or whatever this other shit may be. Just go do something positive.